Alright guys, Anthony from Liberty Service. Alright, we're bringing Rich's truck back in. It's raining, I'm running it. We're driving it, looking for injectors. Here, put it on there. This is another one right here. Boom. Okay. So those of you that know what that is. Now, this is a very, very good situation right here that I bang the drum about all the damn time. This is a coolant filtered truck. Has a catastrophically freaking clogged oil cooler. Catastrophically clogged oil cooler with the coolant filter. So it just tells, I just like to document the kind of crap that we see in the shop. He's got a 65-degree delta with the coolant filter on the truck. So you tell me, listen to the fan is blowing right now because the oil is so hot. So you tell me what that coolant filter does other than add a bunch of bull crap under the hood of the freaking truck. Because it sure as hell don't keep the oil cooler clean. Because I'm sitting here right now at 253 oil and 190 coolant on a truck with a coolant filter. Now, granted, we can have everybody type the comments in and do everything, say everything about, well, we don't know how long the filter was on it, we don't know this, we don't know that. I don't give a damn, okay? It's a catastrophically failed oil cooler with a coolant filter on the truck. So, the coolant filter is not a magic pill, a magic potion to save the freaking oil cooler on the truck. It's not. A coolant filter is a mask for improper maintenance. Do the right freaking coolant flush, get the right coolant in it, keep up with your coolant, get a good oil cooler in it after the coolant flush, boom, never lose another oil cooler again for the whole life of the truck. Guaranteed. Never gonna do it. But it doesn't always work like that. I mean, so yeah, hang on. All right guys, listen to this. We've got massive rattling going on. I'm not sure what it is, haven't really looked. Massive rattling. I don't know if it's got a stock exhaust on it, if the exhaust is rubbing. You guys hear it? It's rattling like a mother. Alright, hang on. Okay, right here guys. So, you know what? I'm gonna bash on it, I don't give a damn. These guys buying the damn, it looks brand, it looks new coolant filter. You know what? Screw that. Freaking junk. Enough. Okay? Why don't we spend money on stuff on the truck that actually does stuff? The coolant filter is a junk piece of crap. We could glue little diamonds and bedazzled jewels all over underneath the hood of the freaking truck if you want to look that freaking cool. But that coolant filter, it pales in comparison to what a proper coolant flush and the proper coolant will do for the truck. Pales in comparison. Do the proper flush. Get a good oil cooler in it. Keep up with the coolant maintenance. You don't need no dumbass coolant filter. Alright? Stupid freaking coolant filters. I'm sick and tired of working around them. They don't do shit. And it's almost, you can almost set your watch by it. The trucks that come in that have the coolant filters, that have all the bullshit, that have all the crap all over the place, are the ones that are the most screwed up. Quit messing with the freaking trucks. You don't know more, Sinister don't know more than Ford does. That's me ragging on these damn coolant filters. If we could put implementation of it and make it a better setup and put it, I got an idea, maybe we'll do it. Who cares? It don't do shit for the truck. You don't freaking need it. All the pictures guys say of casting sand, all this bull, I don't give a damn. You're probably freaking got nest. I don't know what the hell you got, but I tell you what, I work on more than just my own truck. And it's, you seriously can set your watch by it. The trucks that have the most crap bolted under the hood are the ones in the worst trouble. Quit messing with your damn truck thinking that you got a damn coolant filter so I can do any damn thing I want. I'm 10 foot tall because I got a coolant filter. Freaking, the heck with that freaking junk. It's junk. So, that's it. Enough of my rant. Coolant filters suck. Do a freaking coolant flush. Do it right. Take care of your damn coolant. And change the coolant every year or so, every now and then. Change the coolant. Put some EC1 in it. Be done. And you don't need no dumbass coolant filter. You don't have a bunch of crap. I mean, like I said, we could glue diamonds and jewels and stuff under the hood if you want all kinds of fancy crap, I guess, you know. But we don't need crap that's in the way and isn't doing shit. So All right, that's my rant. All right, guys, have a good day.